Guys, let's just unpack on news galore. Guys, I have a bit of a flu, so my voice hasn't been okay. I apologize for that. What's going on is that ugogo Skhosini, guys, uhambile wayobhabhadiswa esontweni lakhe. Ngizothelisha, guys, because I mean that's what she's doing now. That's a new thing now. Remember about 2 weeks ago they were trashing her bethi ungeke sis. Esontweni even nalo sonto njani, but you're not even dressed properly. Kubonakala amaphenti inside some see-through things she was wearing. They're like, sissy, please, you know. She's serious about this, guys. She was baptized. Sisters, her life is actually moving. She's moving right along. She's just like, I want to move on. And she turned 33 on the 5th of May. Ugogo Skhosini the 20 she was baptized. She's just like, I'm moving on, but you know how it is, ne? Most people who are Christians actually did support her. They were just like, welcome, you know. I mean, guys, you understand? Nasemngomeni wayindaba abantu. Namanje unabo laba abantu. Hey, hopefully it actually does work out for her. Guys, if you might remember, on this channel, I was covering the case Benenge, Judge President Beno Sisters Law. Andiswa who claimed the judge was sending him stuff that's inappropriate and he was telling her things at work ezingekho right. Aphinda amthumele nento yakhe ambonise yona ukuthi nansi into yami awufuni yini ukuthi uyibone close up, all those crazy things. So now the new revelation is that ama-messages have been deleted, awasatholakali. So nje u-Andiswa yabo manje usenkingeni because how is she going to prove ukuthi ngempela i-judge was saying inappropriate things to her at work, you know, and to be sending her izinto ezingekho right, amthumele into yakhe athi uyayibona yini into yami ukuthi anaconda. Guys, like stuff like that, you know. So kuthiwa awasatholakali ama-messages manje deleted ngathi from both phones. They don't have proof now. So uyabona ukuthi it's gonna be a problem. And ngapha futhi uJudge Mbenenge uyabona ukuthi as a judge president his dignity has been tarnished basically. Maybe I must put it that way. And then sisters naye kuyampedela if asinayo phela i-proof is lezo yithombe uMbenenge kuba bathi sometimes. I did say in one of my videos in March where I said he will be sending her messages athi ngise-bathroom. Cabanga guys, ngo-1 ekuseni you are married, you are a JP, a judge president. Are you serious? Unkosikazi, you know, it's crazy how I saw a video the Mbenenge family basically singing. I was like, what? They sing so well. And they have a law firm where even the son works there. I think part of the family members basebenza in that law firm. I'm just like, sibuka kanjani leyo nto manje by now? Crazy things like that. Lo baba mudala, you know, uhambe in your house, in your bathroom, ukhipane nento yakho uthumelele usekretary wakho. Crazy. And then usinegugu ke Mahlangu bamdonsa ku Twitter. But I ain't getting noma sekuthiwani, you earn a lot of money on YouTube and all of that. But now wena you're always doing one thing. Uyapheka mangafakile lapha inifa lakho, you are cooking and then you are cleaning. Guys, kodwa I was just like, that's not fair though, because she's just been in Bangkok with her husband for some vacation, sort of some vacay. They went. So guys, upheka ndini, like bathi hayi uyapheka kuphela mina ngeke akushintshe. And also even last week there were some YouTubers, they were like, how? So you just go shopping only and cook and come back and aibo. Can we have other content situation going on? We can't just have one content. Yo, but nje shem mina abona out of maybe 3 YouTubers who are like really, really doing well in South Africa. She is my top 3. When it comes to the whole thing, Yoguti, she was working, she said she was working in the Val before they moved to Cape Town. I think she was working for government. I just don't know what she was doing there. But she's from the humble beginnings, you know. As you can see, she's tall. She just one day told some story. I was just like, the story time is a lot. Ekuluma how they grew up, I think somewhere, I think it was in Richards Bay. And she was very tall and they were sharing a bed, and I know she is like the tallest, I think, of all of them. At some stage she had to move from low mpete ngoba babeshare lo mpete ahamba yolala sitting room. She's just saying a lot of things. She even said the other day yena kubo bebecaba njalo behamba izinto inyanga begcotshwa benziwa izinto becaba. But since she stopped doing that, stuff started coming in ngoba she just concentrated on prayer. Wamfaka noma wakhe lapho, how they were doing those things kubo behlale benziwa izinto. But they just changed their lives and started believing in God. Because guys, at the end of the day, my line is that God created the world. Yeah, wafika uAdam beno Eve. Angithi, yeah, but ubani? Ubro here. That's how we must say it. And you just gonna be questioning things. Now guys, as we feel it's manje, what's going on, you know? Kulunkulu at the end of the day, umveli nqangi, who gave us all. Yeah, guys, akayekwe. I think uSnekuku. I just feel like she's doing well. She must concentrate on that. I did a video about her last month where she was now naye esakhuluma ngalo mngani wakhe. Amthola futhi la ku-social media, who was not really a best friend. I mean, this is why sometimes amanye ama-relationships just let go. This Ramano lady, Khomotso, she's still holding on. I'm just like, don't even talk about those things. Khuluma ngazo mhlambe when you're sitting with your friends and family. But again, don't uyikhulume ku-social media lokuthi I was a friend, I was a good friend. I'm just like, bruh, please move on. You know, at least the whole story futhi nayo has died down. We are able to move on njengamanje. Kunokuthi losiconcentrate kulowo mpete lo ungasebenzi. It wasn't working, that relationship. And I feel ukuthi it was forced also. Why talk about it and continue talking about it? Why? That's the only thing she can understand ngayo uSnekuku last month. I was just like, bra, like, you're still holding on to that. I mean, I thought you wouldn't do that. After also they were dragging her last year. How manga? How younger? What's how guys? When I wasn't invited. Nikhuluma ngani? Lapho kwabagiva abantu abaningi, I was for that. I was just like, guys, if you're not invited, you can't force, because people were like, awuyanga. Because we are timed. It was more like ngenzeni mina umuntu banga-invite wabatshela kabantu guys, isn't it childish? Mina even said in my video yabo last month ukuthi you are making money, concentrate on that and your family, because seyithina siyathanda ukufoster ama-relationship that don't work. You live for that. I'm just like, why? Just concentrate on stuff that's genuine. Now uyayibona into genuine ukuthi ayile lona umngani wami lo. Yeah, uyayibona leyo nto kanjalo. Concentrate on that. So esime lapho guys ngendaba zasemzansi zama-celebrities ngapha ama-YouTubers adonsana. I mean, bamdonse kanjalo-ke uSnekuku ku-Twitter bathi hey, usiyeka lokwenza ne-content eyi-1 2 other things. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me. Ngithanda over.